Greetings, astute investors! Are you feeling the weight of your hard-earned funds languishing in stagnant bank accounts, steadily eroded by the insidious grasp of inflation? Well, prepare for a transformative revelation that promises to rewrite the narrative of wealth preservation and intergenerational prosperity. Fasten your seatbelts because we're on the brink of unveiling the ultimate antidote to combat the corrosive impact of inflation on your financial reserves. Get ready to unlock the door to financial security as we unveil a treasure trove of 6 formidable assets poised to shield you from the erosive forces of inflation and chart a course toward a robust fiscal future. Make sure to hit that coveted subscribe button and activate the notification bell, ensuring you're in the loop for every enlightening nugget of wealth-building wisdom we have to offer. So, without further ado, let's plunge headfirst into this riveting voyage of discovery. Debunking the bank's lies. The enchanting allure of banks and their promises of money multiplying as if by magic within our accounts. However, let's uncover the unvarnished truth. While the guise of interest may appear to infuse your balance with additional digits, it falls short of safeguarding the true value of your wealth from the relentless clutches of inflation. As prices soar and the feeble increments of bank interest struggle to keep pace, your hard-earned cash finds itself teetering on the precipice of diminishment. But fear not, for today, we shall unveil the well-guarded secrets that stand as our bulwark against this insidious erosion, serving as the blueprint to construct a legacy of wealth that transcends generations. God's money, precious metals. We delve into the realm of what's often referred to as God's money, the realm of precious metals, encompassing the likes of gold, silver, and platinum. At the core of these metals lies a fundamental principle that underpins the essence of monetary value: scarcity. These metals embody the quintessence of rarity, elevating them beyond mere lustrous elements to the realm of timeless assets that hold an enduring allure. They're not simply ornamental rocks. They stand as beacons of resolute value, immune to the whims and vagaries of the dollar's fluctuating worth. A prime illustration lies in the saga of gold, a metal whose price trajectory has defied gravity over the years, ascending to dizzying heights even as the dollar faced moments of instability. Indeed, the trajectory of gold's price serves as an incontrovertible testament to its role as a steadfast bulwark against the erosive clutches of inflation. Moreover, gazing into the horizon of gold's forecasts reveals a promising panorama of further growth, cementing its status as an unassailable sanctuary in which value finds its sanctuary and thrives amidst the tumultuous financial landscape. Industrial commodities, tangible utility. However, the narrative does not conclude here. In fact, it expands even further. Behold the realm of industrial commodities, raw materials that stand as veritable powerhouses of inherent value. Among them, silver emerges as a pivotal figure, boasting an indispensability that stretches across the domains of electronics, medical equipment, and a host of other industries. Beyond silver, a constellation of metals, cobalt, nickel, and copper take center stage, driven by the burgeoning demand brought about by their singular and indispensable properties. These metals find themselves in the throes of a surging demand, a phenomenon intricately woven into their remarkable attributes. From cobalt's role in energy storage, to nickel's indispensability in stainless steel, and copper's status as the lifeblood of electrical systems, these commodities are irreplaceable cogs in the machinery of modernity. Indeed, the realm of industrial commodities beckons with a tapestry of investment possibilities that intertwine innovation, growth, and the inimitable allure of tangible assets that fuel progress on a global scale. As the clamor for these vital resources crescendos, aligning your investment trajectory with their inexorable rise becomes not just a prudent decision, but an astute one that positions you at the forefront of value creation in the modern age. Safe haven currencies, stability amidst chaos. Now, let's navigate the realm of safe haven currencies, a sanctuary of stability in the ever-shifting landscape of flat money. Amidst the tempestuous tides of economic volatility, these currencies stand as steadfast beacons of reliability, offering refuge in times of financial upheaval. Among the distinguished players in this realm are the Swiss franc, the British pound, and the Chinese yuan, each assuming the role of a lifeboat that provides solace amidst the storm. Take the Swiss franc, for instance, a currency renowned for its unwavering steadiness. When crises cast their shadows and economic turbulence prevails, the Swiss franc's allure intensifies, drawing funds towards its sanctuary and elevating its intrinsic worth. While establishing a Swiss bank account might remain a distant aspiration for many, fret not, for the avenues to engage with safe haven currencies are diverse. Through currency exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, and forex brokers, these currencies' embrace becomes accessible to a wider audience, democratizing their potential as shields against volatility. In a world where unpredictability often holds sway, the magnetism of safe haven currencies lies in their power to impart a sense of security amidst the unpredictable. As the global economic landscape evolves, aligning your financial strategy with these currencies stands as a shrewd move, one that not only safeguards your wealth from the caprices of change, but positions you to flourish in the face of uncertainty. Sovereign guarantee, government's backing. Have you ever closely examined the dollar bill and pondered its significance? Beyond its physical appearance, it carries a pivotal message. This note is legal tender for all debts, public and private. Yet, the true essence lies in understanding that the foundation of your dollar's value rests upon the strength of the government that stands behind it. This truth unveils a concealed pathway to wealth creation. Government securities, or GSECs, encompassing treasury bills, notes, and bonds. These instruments provide a steadfast means to invest in a nation's underlying strength, presenting an avenue to align with its fiscal stability and resilience. Government securities stand as a testament to trust, a pact between the government and its citizens. Their allure stems from stability, remaining unwavering even amidst market volatility. By investing in GSECs, you're not only allocating resources, you're forging a connection with the nation's enduring potential and economic robustness, thus forging a pathway to both financial security and mutual growth. Value stocks and mutual funds. Diverse returns. Value stocks present an alternative avenue to wealth accumulation, distinct from the conventional approach of bank savings. Unlike a one-size-fits-all approach, value stocks offer a nuanced path to growth, combined with the allure of dividends. While delving into the intricacies of individual stock fundamentals might seem daunting, the realm of dividend-focused mutual funds streamlines this process, offering a gateway to potentially stable returns and informed investment decisions. Land and real estate, a tangible haven. Consider land, the bedrock of value since antiquity. Its inherent scarcity and perpetual demand make it a potent antidote to the erosive effects of inflation. And then there's real estate, an arena that has demonstrated remarkable resilience, evident in the tripling of housing prices over the course of years. Embracing this concept, you have the opportunity to invest in real estate investment trusts, which provide a conduit to the realm of property ownership without the complexities of direct ownership. Alternatively, you can opt to leverage borrowed funds to secure rental properties, capitalizing on the enduring power of land and real property to generate wealth and financial stability. Collectibles, timeless value. Embark on a journey into the realm of collectibles, a universe where value matures with the passage of time. Here, vintage cars, rare artworks, limited edition watches, and an array of exquisite artifacts form the tapestry of appreciating worth. The sale of Leonardo da Vinci's masterpiece, Salvador Mundi, for a staggering $450 million, stands as a testament to the enduring and escalating value inherent in collectibles. Modern technology has opened up new avenues to participate in this fascinating world, with online marketplaces providing platforms to acquire, trade, or even co-own these precious treasures, offering both financial potential and an immersion into the captivating realm of historical and artistic artifacts. And there you have it, a comprehensive unveiling of 6 dynamic assets that utterly debunk the notion of stagnant wealth. Your hard-earned money deserves to flourish beyond the confines of a dormant bank account, impervious to the erosive effects of inflation. Embrace these illuminating pathways, be it precious metals, industrial commodities, safe haven currencies, government securities, real estate, or collectibles, and fortify the bulwarks of your financial future. If this enlightening voyage has resonated with you, don't forget to express your appreciation by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more enlightening and empowering financial insights. Until our paths cross again, as you navigate the intricate world of wealth preservation, remember to wield informed choices and seize the trajectory to not just financial stability, but the glorious realm of intergenerational prosperity. This is Ash Cash Tash, bidding you farewell with the utmost confidence that you will remain financially astute and continue to thrive in the realm of wealth building. Thank you for joining us in unraveling the secrets to creating wealth that stands the test of time. As you embark on your financial journey, armed with this knowledge, remember that the power to secure your future is in your hands. Keep those investment fires burning, and we'll catch you in our next enlightening installment.